Hey Emmi! Today Emmi is having for lunch some broccoli and carrots. Yeah, she's already nibbling on some carrots and she's liking it. Something new on the plate. So if you've seen my previous videos, she has tried broccoli once before. She liked it. This time I steamed it a little bit less, so it's not really falling apart, but it's still soft enough for her to eat it on her own. And as I mentioned in my videos before, with baby-led weaning, you really shouldn't be worried about choking. Of course, you should be worried about it as much as with spoon feeding, but if you're careful and give appropriate foods to your little ones and then watch over them, everything should be okay. They have a very strong gag reflex. Yeah, what are you eating, Emmi? It's broccoli. It's a little treat. Yeah. Wow. Chubby, cute little legs. Yummy, huh? Well, she's eating, but also most of it is ending up in her little pouch and on the floor. And I let her nibble on it for a while, but eventually I do give her a little bit of a puree that I made. So I made a puree out of broccoli and carrot, and I used a little bit of water that was used to steam it. So after she's done playing around a little bit, I'll give her a little bit with a spoon, just for you to see. Emmi, Emmi. Just top up it. Does she like it? This is the first time I made a puree with broccoli for her. Last time I only let her try it. It's the first time. She liked it. She had no reactions to it. So I assume it's good. Okay guys, well, that'll be it for today with our video. We did a little bit of swimming in a swimming pool earlier today. As you can see, there are some props left. A little crocodile. And I did catch, believe it or not, a little sunburn.